You're on.
Fort Worth Leitrim, cloudy, 65, south at 15. Dallas Love Field, partly sunny, 66, south at 14, gusting to 21. Arlington, cloudy, 65, south at 8. Denton, cloudy, 64, south at 14. Mineral Wells, sunny.
Waiting for RWT.
Region, Wichita Falls, sunny, 62, south at 16. Abilene, sunny, 61, south
It's
at
9:59.
30. Waco, cloudy, 66, south at 10. Tyler, fog, 65, south at 9. Once again at 9 a.m., DFW Airport, partly sunny, 65, south at 15.
Alexa, what time is it?
Now let's check on your local forecast for the Dallas-Fort Worth
What?
Metroplex.
Alexa, what time is it?
Mostly sunny.
The time is 10 a.m.
Oh, 10. I thought it said 2.
South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, increasing to 15 to 20 miles an hour.
Might be a little late because it's in the middle of the broadcast.
Mostly cloudy with a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the mid-60s. South winds 15 to 20 miles an hour, becoming 10 to 20 miles an hour after midnight. Thursday, mostly cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning. Then partly sunny with showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 70s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. Thursday night, mostly cloudy with a chance of thunderstorms. Showers likely in the evening, then a chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the upper 50s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, becoming north after midnight. Chance of rain 70%. And now the extended forecast.
Come on.
Friday, mostly cloudy with a chance of thunderstorms. A chance of showers in the morning, then showers likely in the afternoon. Cooler with highs in the upper 60s. Northeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. Friday,
Why did it not go to 9:59?
a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Then a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight.
You're already saying 10:01,
In the lower 50s.
and you're not at 9:59.
Saturday, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms in the morning. Then showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the mid.
You've already gone to 10:01.
Chance of rain 60%.
Oh, now you go to 10.
Saturday night, a slight chance of thunderstorms in the evening. Mostly cloudy with a slight chance of showers. Lows in the lower 50s.
You're at 9:58,
Chance of rain
bro.
50%. Sunday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly sunny. Highs in the upper 60s.
Come on, KC56.
Lows in the
Are you taking a
mid-50s.
video?
Yes.
Monday,
Can you make sure I'm not in your video?
Yes, I know. You're not in my vid.
Monday night, partly cloudy.
Come on, KC56.
Mostly sunny.
You're not putting this on
Highs
YouTube,
in the
right?
mid-60s.
Yeah?
Hazardous weather.
You're not in it.
Every video doesn't need to be on
Low
YouTube.
thunderstorm chances over
Yes, it does.
parts of north and central Texas. Severe weather potential is low. Spotter activation is not expected at this time.
Come on, KC56.
Weather outlook for Thursday through Tuesday. More widespread showers and thunderstorms expected Thursday through the upcoming weekend.
Come on, KC56.
Particularly on Thursday afternoon and night, when onwards of severe weather will be possible. Multiple rounds of heavy rain, especially those that occur in areas that saw considerable rainfall in recent days, could aggravate flooding issues. The ultraviolet index forecast for March 13th is 4, or moderate. This is the National Weather Service Office in Fort Worth. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning system for weather radio station C55.
Bruh.
For situations, specially built receivers
Bruh.
automatically activated by the a signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday
You haven't
between
gone
10
off yet.
a.m. and noon, and between 6 and 8 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variation, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Mosky, Collin, Dallas, Denton, Ellis, Urath, Hill, Hood, Johnson, Parker, Somerville, Tarrant, and Wise. This concludes the test of weather radio station KEAS C55.
Landscape. No, this is landscape.
The current time is 10:05 a.m. Central Daylight Time. You are listening to NOAA All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service.
You went off.
KEAS 55.
Yay!
Serving the Dallas-Fort Worth listening area.
Yay!
The following reports of weather temperature and wind were made at 10 a.m. DFW Airport, cloudy, 68, dew point 63, relative humidity 84%, wind south at 15, gusting to 25, pressure 29.8.
Yeah, it's on.
And steady. Fort Worth Meekum, 67.
Oi!
17, gusting to
Oi!
24. Dallas,
Do you not have good reception?
sunny, 68, south at 15,
No.
25.
Excuse me?
I'm not talking to you.
South at 15, gusting to 23. Denton, cloudy, 67, south at 14. Mineral,
You do not have good reception over here.
south at 10. Elsewhere along the region,
Oh, it's probably because you're charging.
sunny, 67, southwest at 18, gusting to 28. The wind, mostly sunny, 63, south at 23, gusting to 39. Waco, partly sunny, 69, south at 14. Tyler, haze, 67, south at 10.
Yeah, this thing has terrible reception when it's plugged in.
Airport, cloudy,
It doesn't even get one to get reception. Yeah, that has.
gusting to 25. Now let's check on your local forecast for the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. Today, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, increasing to 15 to 20 miles an hour this afternoon. Tonight,
This doesn't do. I don't know if you watched the other video where I figured out the problem why this doesn't go off. It's basically doing a silent test. This one just always sounds for RWT's, the KC55 now. The KC56 also does silent tests. Yeah, I've heard enough. Yeah, that and the KC55 W120 does sound tests, and you just never like to go off. Ugh. This is probably just a bad apple from the factory. It's probably so cheap. Get off eBay. Used. I'm thinking of getting rid of. I'm thinking of getting rid of this one and getting a black one of these for KC56. That is the rare WH model. Yes, I'm always doing. Yeah. Test of, I don't know, March something. What was I gonna say? Yeah, you have terrible reception when you're charging. Roomba. Go check out my new short. It's about when Apple users getting Android. Ha 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 ha. Okay, I'm letting you know, I may or may not miss the tornado drill for Texas, which is March the 20th, I believe. I think I remember that. I think I remember it was March 20th. Yeah. Have a little bit of a sore throat, starting to go away. And yeah, that concludes the test. Peace.